There are hundreds of details that an agent is responsible for before, during, and after a home sale or purchase. Assistants can be helpful in managing these details. And these details are often best delegated to an assistant, allowing more time for seeking new clients, going on listing appointments, and marketing their business. And you should understand that for many agents, their business is more than a job. It's a lifestyle. And they may want you to make that being their assistant a lifestyle too. The job description for a real estate agent's assistant can vary. Some assistants are working for an individual agent, some assist a team, and some work under a different variation. The duties are different from agent to agent, but often include managing written communication, preparing and sending contracts, scheduling showings, managing paperwork, preparing marketing pieces, and executing the agent's social media marketing. There are some things an assistant cannot do if they are not licensed, but even unlicensed assistants can be a great help to agents by relieving them of tasks that they can delegate, allowing for greater time spent on revenue-producing activities.